Real quick before this video starts, make sure you follow me at 415 Kodak on Twitter and also GFX Comment, and we also got a Discord server. So if you're interested, join, and I hope you enjoy this video. Before we get this video started, make sure you use the code YouTube for 15% off on all products on gfxcomment.com. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Check out the website. Alright, welcome back to the channel, and yeah, this is a voiceover. So first thing you want to do is you want to export. By the way, if you couldn't tell, we are doing the flash. So actually right now I was deleting the particles. Alright, now right click, go to export, and you want to name the file whatever you want. So I named it the flash. Alright, now that we are here in Blender, the first thing you want to do is you want to hit A to select and hit X, click on delete to get rid of those objects. And now we're going to go file, import wavefront objects, and we're going to import our model. So let me go ahead and look for it. Alright, here it is. So here's my model. We're going to go into render view, so click on the third bubble and go to objects at origin to geometry, and we're just gonna center our model. As you can see, now we're gonna create the floor or the road. So hit shift A, go to mesh plane, and I use the S key, so I hit S to scale it up, and just bring it to the size you want. Now you want to hit SY, so you could stretch it out to make it into a street. Now I'm gonna add an environment texture, hit open, and put in an HDRI so we have some basic lighting. Alright, now let's go ahead. I'm gonna go to my settings and turn on transparent. Now you want to go online and look for some textures. I use ccotextures.com. So as you can see here, I'm just looking for a road, and I went for this one, so hit download. Alright, so you want to drag the color of the texture and shift A, go to bump, and we're just gonna plug these. So take the color into base color, and yeah, just follow my node setup right over here. As you can see, plug the normal into normal, and we have our road texture. Now you want to turn on this add-on I'm going to use. So go up to edit, go to preferences, and in add-ons you want to look up node wrangler, as you can see, and you just want to toggle it on. So click on your texture and hit Control T. This is going to give you a mapping node, and we're just going to adjust the y-axis so the scaling looks better for our texture. And here I'm just adjusting the roughness, and you can adjust the bump strength, as you can see. So just get it how you want. Here I'm just adjusting the specular and the metallic. So once you have it how you like, we're going to move on. Now we're going to go to our render settings and turn on ambient occlusion. I'm going to turn up the distance, turn on bloom, screen space reflections. Alright, so here I'm going back to my shading tab, and this time I'm going to add a bump to the character texture. So I'm going to go into edit mode, go to face select, click on the texture, and we're going to bring the texture over here, go to shift A, add a bump, as you can see, and we're just going to plug these. So that goes there, and we're going to bring normal to normal. And if you can see our player, there is a nice bump. We could adjust the strength. Here I'm just adjusting the other properties for the texture, so do this part however you want, and yeah, just get it to how you want. Now I'm just going to adjust the materials for the other parts, so the mask, and then I'm going to move on to that little I don't know what it's called, the earmuff thing, I don't know, but yeah, just adjust the materials. Now I'm gonna go Shift A, go to light, and add a sunlight. So just move it up so you can see, and we're gonna take this yellow dot, and you just want to point it whichever direction that you want, and adjust the strength and the specular settings. Once you're happy with everything, you could go Shift A. So add a camera, and we're gonna hit 0 on the number pad, and this is going to bring us into camera view. And I'm just going to move our camera to the angle that I want. So position your camera, you could adjust the focal length, and yeah, just get it to how you want it. Alright, once you're done, just go to render and render image, as you can see, and we're just gonna go image, save as. Alright, now I'm here in Photoshop with my render, and the canvas is 1920 by 1080. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is you want to add a background. So I just chose this one of the New York skyline, and you just want to match it up. Now I'm gonna go to solid color and choose white, change the mode to color. The purpose for this is we're going to match the values, the black and white values for the character and the background, as you can see right here. After the initial one, I went ahead and added a new one just for the render, just to kind of adjust it a bit more. But yeah. Alright, so here I just copied the background, I blurred it up, and I just changed it to overlay. I usually use this technique to just kind of as you can see, just match the colors, and this background actually worked very well, as you're gonna see here. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video, part 1. We're gonna be dropping part 2, and yeah, just make sure you like this video. Go ahead and hit that like button, it's gonna help out our channel tremendously. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.